Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Anbreen Kay Tech. This is Anbreen and today I'm going to be discussing with you about an amazing software that is launched to help you create amazing YouTube shorts with AI technology. This app can produce high quality YouTube shorts in minutes with just a voice command or a keyword. So this new 2023 AI-powered ChatGPT YouTube bot gets us set and forget free traffic, and this AI-powered app name is Nexus. So guys, we will be discussing about the members area and all the options being provided in detail. Also how this funnel is offering benefits through different upsells. Stay tuned till the end because I will be sharing information about amazing bonuses being offered along with this video. Let us get into the sales page of this product. There's a link down in the description box of this video. Once you click on it, then you will reach to this page. This is basically the sales page of the product, that is Nexus. So you will see all the details being given about Nexus. The next generation of AI is here. ChatGPT 4 add-on exploits YouTube TM for free traffic in 30 seconds and makes us $51 per hour. This is something, a big promise, but I would say that it's not impossible. No tech, no video creation, no being on camera. Like, these are not required as such. No tech skill is required, no video creation, or no being on camera. Like, not must things to be there. So when we scroll down, here is a button saying click here to get started now. So basically you're getting this product in a discount amount of $17. It's a one-time fee. So if you are going to you might get some more you must say discount on it. Yeah, so there will be a window that is popped up in the screen saying click the button below to get an instant $6 discount now. So you can further get discount of $6 on $17. So further you can get a discount, and the total price you might be paying is around $11. It's that cheap, and it's really beneficial if you are someone who is working on YouTube channel on the shorts, and this AI technology can help you create fast instant YouTube shorts. So while scrolling down, you will find some more details about this product, some evidences, some screenshots, and some more how to grade this product, and then how to set up and activate, and all these detailed information is being given down this page. And this is the person, Billy Dar. His name is Billy Dar, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, Billy Dar. He is basically the owner of this product. He belongs to London. While further going down, you will get some more details about this product. So as we all know that YouTube is the biggest money maker in 2023, no doubt. So even Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, like huge social medias, YouTube is the biggest of all, and a lot of people traffic rely on YouTube more than other social medias. So if you are opting, or if you want to have your own business, or you want to have a shorts video, then this software could be a really must and a beneficial one for you. Now let us talk about the super sexy funnels that are they belongs to Nexus. First funnel is the front end, of course. That is for $17, even for which I was discussing with you that you will even get further discount of $6 through the coupon, and then the total amount you can pay is around $11. I mean, it's super discounted front end funnel. Here you can get the benefits like it gets us set and forget free traffic and so much more. Upsell one is basically it's an unlimited edition for $47. You don't have to pay any monthly fee or something like that. It's an unlimited edition where the customer can enjoy unlimited usage and unlimited free traffic and much more. Upsell 2 is basically it's a done for you setup. It's for $297. In this upgrade, our team sets up the software for your customers. Upsell 3 is basically for only $39. It's an autopilot edition where your customer will be able to activate all the automation tools within Onyx. Upsell 4 is basically it's Nexus 200 done for you campaigns edition only for $39, where your customers will get 200 done for you proven money making campaigns that have made us like around $50,000. This is what the owner of this product is promising. And upsell 5 is basically it's a Nexus franchise edition that costs only $197, where your customer will get bumped up to 85% across the entire funnel with additional tutorials on how to promote the funnel to make sales. There are some free bonuses the owner of Nexus is offering to the customers whoever will be purchasing Nexus. So there are the bonuses like push click commissions that basically is worth $297. Other bonuses like instant cash jackpot, piggyback cash system, tube commission loophole, commissionally that worth around $197, evergreen commission machine done for you 10 times your result with it also worth $197. So these all of the bonuses you're gonna get for free along with the product that is Nexus when you are going to purchase it. So go check out the link that is down in the description box and grab the product and enjoy the benefits out of it. If you have any question, you can comment down this video. I hope to see you inside this app members area. If you like this video, then press the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I will see you in another video with some another review videos. Till then, bye.